Hi everyone, it's Mara, Allied of Wind, Water, and Wisdom, and I want to talk today about mantras and words that we say that we would like to call into our lives, words and thoughts. So, if you're like me, I like to know that something is really working. Long time ago, I was turned on to mantras, intention setting, and I had little mantras taped to my medicine cabinet. I had them on mirrors. I had them on screensavers. I'm calling in abundance to my life. Everything flows to me, things like that. And at times these really worked, and I'm like, but I was always like, is that coincidence? Or did I really change my mindset? Did I really call that in from the universe? Did my energy really bring that in? And then I was gifted, probably because I was always kind of the skeptic, with the ability to feel energy. And all of a sudden, I'm like, oh my goodness, it really does work. I really can feel a difference in my body. So I can feel a difference in my body energetically. I can feel a shift when I say certain words. And when we say these enough and we practice this enough, we call that into our energy field all around us. You can do this with health. You can do this with anything. There really isn't a set way to do this or a perfect way to do this. I'm just going to give you some examples. But this is how I set the way I do this. This is a practice I have. So every morning, as part of my practice, I will say, I call my body into the perfect frequency and vibration for balancing and harmonizing. Right now I can feel my body shifting. I call my body into the perfect frequency and vibration for balancing and harmonizing. I literally can feel my body changing right now. Then I'm going to show you, for example, something. This is my personal wavelength right now. Perfect, not bad, steady and strong. But now I'm going to say, I am love. And I just feel such a beautiful expansion in my energy field. And now let me check. Look at how much stronger that is just by saying I am love. And I could just feel that energetic vibration go like that. I can also say things like, my cardiac health is that of a 21-year-old. I can say my HDL, blood pressure, and weight are all within healthy and safe parameters. And I feel something. I can say I want to activate all 7 of my chakras, and I will feel a pulse at every single one of them. These are the things you can say. I call in, I am abundant. I wouldn't say I call in, own it. I am abundant. I am love. I am healthy. I am strong. I am a queen. I am magic. I am choosing smaller meal portions. I don't care what you said. Now let's just see where my energy is now after all those I am statements. Off the charts. I don't need this. I'm just showing you with this. I feel it. So if you're doubting that you're saying things and they're not changing your vibration, they are changing your vibration. Those mantras, those I am words, those are powerful and they're getting into your energy field. And you're changing patterns, you're overriding patterns or other beliefs if you do this consistently. So practice and know now that it actually is that you're changing something. It actually is true. It actually works. And it actually is changing something energetically within you. Have a great day.